What's going on, guys? My name is Joe, and this is Kevin, and we're coming to you guys to let you know about a new group that we just started on Facebook. It's called USA Dropshipping Suppliers. The reason why we created this group, after joining a bunch of different dropshipping groups, we realized that the one main problem that everyone is having is lead times and quality that's coming out of Alibaba and China. So what we've done is created a group where we're going to bring sellers and suppliers alike, mainly from the USA. You can be anybody as a seller, but all the suppliers that are going to be in our group are going to be strictly from the United States, just for quality purposes. And yeah, so that's pretty much where we're at right now. Kevin?
So my name is Kevin, as he said, and basically we want to make this group as welcoming as possible. If you guys know of any USA dropshipping suppliers, or if you guys have any questions or comments based on experience, if we can help you, we'd love to help you. I want everyone to interact with one another. Like, there's a lot of groups now that it's a lot of questions being asked, and they don't really have good answers that can actually help people make money.
Answers, really.
Yeah, dropshipping, because that's really where the future is coming. You know, you don't want to hold inventory anymore, and you want quality suppliers where you don't have issues with shipping and products that are just garbage, and we don't want any of that. So I want to see where you guys get your dropshippers from. We can give you some contacts if you guys would like, and just make this an interactive group. I have experience, and that's what we're going to get into, in women's clothing. That's just what I know. It's what I've been doing for a long time now. It's my full-time job. I'm the owner of Simplicity.com. We both work Simplicity.com together. And if there's any questions I can answer on that, I'd love to. But this isn't going to be about that. This is going to be about finding you guys in different niches and different categories, the best USA suppliers that we can find and that are reputable. We are never going to post anything that we get paid to promote or anything like that. This isn't about that. We have our own businesses. This is just something for us and for you guys, just to help and see what other USA suppliers there are out there. That being said, Joe, why don't you tell them a little bit about yourself?
Sure. So I'm mainly a design guy. You know, I really like the creative aspect of building online businesses, whether it's, website design or graphic design, anything like that. And that's kind of where Kevin and I came together. He was searching for, someone to really revamp Simplicity, and we kind of became partners through that way. And obviously Kevin will tell you a little bit about himself. But what we're really trying to do, as Kevin mentioned, is just provide value for you guys. That's our main point. We just want to have a great group of interacting people and really just scale everyone's business by giving information to each other.
I agree. I think that, so Joe actually helped me out with all online aspects of Simplicity.com. That's kind of I gave him that whole portion of it. I've been doing clothing manufacturing for various brands, and I've been producing clothes, private label, wholesale. That's what Simplicity really was. We just recently started up an online store, and the feedback we've been getting, and been doing so well over the past few months. Ever since Joe came on board, he's really helped me out a lot, and we're just loving it. So if we can help you in any way by suggesting like e-commerce tactics that you can do better, we're not going to charge you or none of that.
We're not gurus either.
We're not
like
gurus.
trying to...
Yeah, none of that. Or Facebook advertising strategies that we've used, Google strategies that we've used, and even the Shopify store. It's so important because it has to be a store that people trust. I mean, we've gone from having a super, super basic store to now having a store that's more optimized, and I can tell you that that really, really helps. That being said, at this point, more than 95% of our sales are wholesale, and that's kind of our whole thing is wholesale. Like retail, we just started on and we love it, and we're going to keep going. But that's just the facet of having a factory. We have to produce a certain amount of items. We have employees. We're actually FaceTiming you right now, or video chatting you from the factory.
Yeah, you can probably hear it.
Yeah, you probably hear the sewing. It's a cut and sew clothing factory, and that's what we do here. If I can help you in any way doing that, I would love to. If you have any questions, I would love to teach you or explain things to you. And I hope that I can ask you guys things as well, and we can all correspond together. I don't want any hate in this group at all. That's not what it's about. There's going to be people that are making $10 a month or zero. There's going to be people that are making over $50,000 to $100,000 a month. And the whole point of this is to have a group where you can interact with people, ask questions, and grow together. Even the person that's making $100,000 a month, he might have some questions that someone in the design aspect of a certain, can help him with his website or with his logo that could even help him make more than what he's making. So this is where that's at. As far as where you guys are selling, I want to hear about it. Whether it's Etsy, eBay, your website, Amazon, and there's an Amazon Handmade that I'd love to get into. There are so many facets of online stores that can help sellers like us sell items. So I'd love to hear it. And yeah, I think that sums it up as an introduction. All the videos are going to be short. We don't really like long videos. I don't think anybody does.
And we'll just talk to you guys in the group as well.
Yeah, it's going to be totally real. I might say the F word or I might curse here and there. It's just, this is live. I'm not advertising or anything. So I can't wait to meet you guys. I hope that you guys can tag your friends and really get other people involved. Maybe some of your friends that wanted to get into the business. I know I have a lot of them. But just we're working and haven't had a chance to make the switch. So nice to meet you guys. I'm Kevin again. This is Joe, and we will catch up with you guys in a little bit.
All right.